Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I made these glass golden flake nails. We are on day 20 of 365. It's been a little bit of a struggle, but I'm back on the bus. If you want to see how I did these, keep watching. Alright, starting off, we're using the Katori Beauty. These are the Stiletto XL nails. And for this set, there is no polish. And you see these are the golden flakes. I'm just going to break them down and show y'all what they look like now. Yeah, and for this set, obviously there's no color polish. I'm just using a foundation. This is the Beatles foundation. And I'm going to just paint all the nails and I'm going to add the flakes that were broken up. Pretty self-explanatory. And then I'm going to pop these into the dryer and do it again. Alright, now that these are out of the dryer, you see I'm just touching them. they're still, like, the flakes are still moldable. And now I'm just going in with this top coat. This is one of the strongest top coats that I've used. It goes over, it's strong, the closest thing to acrylic to me. So it's just gonna go over, and then when you feel the top of the nails, obviously it's gonna be smooth, like it has an acrylic overlay, but it doesn't. Alright, now these bad boys are out the dryer finally, and everything is smooth. You saw me feeling them, and this is how they look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, share the video please, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.